What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards, and on today's episode we are in the Fiat. Yes, obviously you guys can see the Abarth Scorpion, and we are here doing the head unit. That is, let me close this so I have something later on. We're doing the head unit. This is like the first big thing because it's I don't know, it actually shipped pretty quickly to me, so we're gonna go ahead and get into that. So the first thing that you're gonna need to do is, I already have it kind of somewhat out, but there's these little clips here that go in onto this piece of the unit. You just take a little flathead screwdriver, pop them out. They come out super easy. Then you're gonna want to get removal tools. These are for a Ford. Obviously it says right there, so it's a little difficult. I had to squeeze them and push them in. I got them in to unlock what I think is like the mechanism that is holding in this head unit, and I just took the flathead and basically there's like a little piece that's up here and popped it, kind of pried it open. I'm not actually doing it, I'm just showing you. And then this whole piece should, come on baby, come on, work with me, and it'll slide out. And then you will want to pull it out, try not to mess up any of your other stuff. And then you can go from there and unplug all of the harnesses. Alrighty, you guys, so now that the actual head unit part is out and you just slide it out, unplug the 4 clips that should be in there. Next is you're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver, and that will take out this top air vent. So there's one here and one there, and you should be good after that to get this whole setup out. Alrighty guys, so the next part into this, I set it on top of the shift knob. You are going to take the harness that is in this crumble right here, I guess you could say, and you're going to plug the 2 bigger ones up into this section here. They're both going to go in here, and then there's this white cord. I'm losing this thing. There's this white cord down here that you need this box, and this is what controls all the steering wheel options. So like when I plugged it in, I had it plugged in here, but it's connected, dang it, it's connected to this white clip in here, and I didn't have that clipped in, so none of my steering stuff work. But you just have to clip that in into the back. Bada bing, bada boom, you're solid. And then this one up here you see is yellow. That is for either antenna. The white one is for Sirius XM. I think they're mixed matched, maybe, I don't know, but it doesn't really matter just because we're not going to be running antenna nor Sirius XM. We're always going to have Bluetooth, which is why obviously we got this. So let me go ahead, push this back in, make sure there are no wires in the way, and this one should just clip in because it's got this top piece of the same AC vent, so it should just kind of clip in. Nothing really goes on the bottom. And let me get that pushed in and we'll see what the final touch is and start on something else on this car. You guys, so there is, let me get my my spinner. The spin is out of the way. That is the final touch. So you're just gonna push everything back in here, push it, and as you guys can see, it uses the same vents that are kind of back hidden in there. Now we've got CarPlay, we've got be able to go to AutoZone because that's where I was, music, phone calls, all that. Apple CarPlay, gonna go through the head unit, and you could do all this crazy stuff, which maybe we'll make in another video on showing what to do. All I really wanted was to be able to do that. So now I can adjust all of the stereo stuff, and the stereo actually really sounds a lot better now. Hang on, let's see. I had to find a non-copyright. So yeah, it adjusts all there. Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be. Just mess it up, 'cause we already lost. We'll teach you to rush. So yeah, this thing sounds really good now. Super stoked in the way that this all kind of played out. So now let's see what other parts and pieces we can do today for the Abarth, because that was probably the biggest one. So yeah, let's see what we can figure out now. Alrighty guys, so next thing that we're going to do is the Abarth seat belt. Look at these things, hang on. Look at those are so sick. So they're like little Abarth, I don't even know what you call them, seat belt covers. So I obviously did this one. Gonna hop over to the second one. Super easy. I will just quickly demonstrate for you. Today is just like a mod day, like simple miscellaneous stuff. So I had it sitting like this, and you're just gonna take it over, wrap it around, velcros right on. It's out of carbon fiber. kidding. And then it'll just slide up to your choice, and now it's like an official Abarth racer. So next thing we're gonna do is do the cabin air filter. This thing kinda stinks a little bit, so we're gonna first do it. I think I got this. So this is a T25 Torx that you're gonna need to take this section off here. Alright, so you're going to unclip the body panel here. It's going to unclip here and here. There's going to be a little tab that goes into this upper piece. Oh, there's electrical tape falling out. That you're going to do out of here. Let me see if I can provide some more light on the subject. And then you're going to, it says to remove this harness up here because I guess it's in the way. And then you'll take off this section here. There's 2 bolts that are holding the housing in, which you will then be able to remove the cabin air filter. So let me go ahead, try to do that and see what I can make out of it. Alrighty, you guys, so that is actually going to conclude today's episode with the Fiat. Just a quick mod video. Really just wanted to do this just really wanted to do the head unit and just kind of get that done. And I'm all over the place. Really want to do the head unit and just some small things. It is a cloudy Saturday, so figured why not. So yeah, so probably next video we will have something coming up for the wheels, as well as just maintenance stuff like coils and spark plugs. I wasn't even recording myself. See, I'm all over the map today. It's been a long one. So on that note, I will let you guys be. Leave a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next maintenance/mod part 2 video of the Fiat. And peace, y'all.